Hi, I'm Drew Schultz. The wide stance squat is one of the most productive and beneficial exercises you can perform. It's friendly on your lower back, knees, and hips. The wide stance squat incorporates so many muscles from your hips or pelvic girdle. The pelvis is the most important platform in the body as it supports the spine and enables locomotion. This exercise is great for targeting the front thighs or quadriceps, the inner thighs or adductors, the glutes, and even the rear thighs or hamstrings, particularly in the bottom range of motion. Performing the wide stance squat also allows you to address the outer hip glute muscles known as the abductors. Training the abductors helps to prevent injury and increase performance by correcting muscular imbalances. It also helps minimize the risk of IT band syndrome and piriformis syndrome. You can perform half range of motion repetitions if you have a knee injury or if you're not yet flexible enough for the full range of motion. If you're new to exercise, perform 2 sets of 15 repetitions, resting 1.5 minutes in between. If you're an avid exerciser, perform 3 sets of 20 to 25 repetitions with 1 minute of rest in between. Whether you're looking for a joint-friendly lower body exercise that also helps to provide for better mobility in everyday activities, or you're looking for better performance, I think you'll really enjoy the results you get from the wide stance squat.